Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make a group on Instagram in new update. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing, you have to simply open up your Instagram app. So before you want to make a group on Instagram, you have to simply update your Instagram app. So if you want to make a group on Instagram, so first you need to simply update your Instagram app, and after that you need to simply tap on the Instagram DM message icon. And once you tap on the Instagram DM message icon, so you have to simply tap on the plus icon which will display at the top right side of the screen. So in order to make a group, you need to simply first select some members for the group. I have selected just 2 members here, so simply tap on the chat. So first you need to simply send a specific message to your group members. Then you'll be enabled to set the specific name for this group. So I just want to type here hi, and when I send the hi message, so here I can find at the top there is a name this group option. So you have to simply type the name for the group. So I have just typed the YouTubers, and now if I tap on the check mark, so here I can simply save some changes. So here you can see I have set successfully the custom name on this group that I have recently created. And when I tap on the see more members for this group, so here I can find all the options related to this group. So I can easily change the theme, and also I can add the other members for this group. So with the help of this process, you can easily make a group on Instagram by using this method. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.